Hello everybody! Today I'm gonna show you 3 ways I have learned how to make texture to your jewelry so that you can make your jewelry more interesting, more unique. 3 ways, let's go! The first way is the one that gives you the most texture. You need some kind of place in which you can heat the piece from underneath. I used this flat net made from wire and attached it with 2 soldering pliers. But if you do this, you have to be sure that whatever you have attached to your pliers won't burn. Add some flux to your piece and start heating it to achieve overall heat. Once the piece is hot, add carefully some silver dust. The dust has to be clean, without any other metals, scraps or trash. You can apply less than I did in here. Once you have spread the dust, start heating the piece from underneath to the point when the dust starts to melt. I also tried later to make a sample by only heating the piece directly from above, and it also worked pretty okay. And here is how the piece looks like after acid and brushing. The next one is my favorite one, I think, using a matte brush to achieve this shiny matte surface. For this one, the most important tip is use glasses always. This thing is called the matte brush, but I call it porcupine because of the thorns. Start by putting the porcupine to its place. After that, start the polishing engine from 0. Slowly increase the speed until it's about 6. Our teacher said that no more than 6 ever, and actually there's no need for more speed. 6 is enough. And then just start brushing the metal to the brush, and don't be afraid, it feels a bit funny, but at least this brush I'm using doesn't hurt your fingers, so it doesn't matter even if it touches your sensitive hands. You can do it over and over as many times you want. And here we have a beautiful glitter matte texture, voila! Reticulation. And the last one is the easiest one. You don't need any equipment. Take your piece of metal, put a lot of flux to it, start heating the metal from all angles steadily. When the piece is hot enough, it will look like it's turning to liquid. It will start moving, and that's when the magic happens. Take your flame off the metal after a couple seconds and see what the results looks like. You can heat it again to make more texture. Can you overdo this? Probably not, but your piece will just start to melt overall if you heat it too much. Okay, that's it. I really hope you liked this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!